बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है कि न्यू लर्नर्स हमारे साथ शामिल हो रहे हैं और आई थिंक आप लोगों को बेटर एक्सपीरियंसेस ही मिलेंगे इस इंस्टीट्यूशन से। मैडम मोनिका जी जो है हमारे उनकी गाइडलाइंस के अंदर हम लोग काम कर रहे हैं, तो आपको जब कभी भी कोई ज़रूरत पड़ती है तो ऑलवेज हम आपके साथ हैं, सब लोगों के साथ हैं। डॉक्टर मनविंदर कौर जो हैं वो हमारे कोऑर्डिनेटर मैम हैं, और जब कभी भी आपको किसी भी चीज़ की किसी भी हेल्पलाइन की ज़रूरत होती है तो वो हमेशा हेल्पलाइन की तरह काम करते हैं। आपके दो हमारे और जो हमारे असिस्टेंट्स हैं जो हमारे साथ काम करते हैं, एक मिस्टर नवीन हैं और एक मिस्टर संदीप हैं। आप सब लोग को जब कभी भी ज़रूरत पड़ती है तो टीम के रूप में आपको काम जो है वो दिखाई देगा, हर चीज़ दिखाई देगा। दूसरा, नंबर ऑफ कोर्सेज आप जानते हो कि आपने डिफरेंट कोर्सेज में एडमिशन ली है, और उस कोर्सेज में आपको रिगार्डिंग जो भी आपके काउंसलर्स रहते हैं, जो आपके खासकर आपके काउंसलिंग सेशंस रहते हैं, उनके बारे में आपको टाइम टू टाइम जो है वो ग्रुप पे देखने को मिलेगा। बड़ी जल्दी हम आपने देखा होगा कि आप एक ग्रुप में, वो सब लोग न्यू लर्नर सारे उस ग्रुप में हैं, तो ग्रुप से रिलेटेड कोई भी या ग्रुप से रिलेटेड कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन होगी, कोई जैसे भी अगर आप जो क्वेरी जो होगी आपकी, अगर आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन लेना चाहते हैं तो ये आपको ग्रुप में टाइम टू टाइम मिलती है। अपनी तरफ से हम बेस्ट आपको देने की कोशिश करेंगे। हमारा आपसे एक तरह का एक कमिटमेंट है कि हम लर्नर जितने भी हमारे साथ आकर जुड़ते हैं, हम अपनी तरफ से बेस्ट सर्विस प्रोवाइड करने की कोशिश करते हैं। तो बाकी मैं मैम जी से करूँगी, दरखास्त करूँगी कि वो आपको बाकी कोर्सेज के बारे में और रिव्यू सेंटर के बारे में पूरी जानकारी दें।
थैंक यू डॉक्टर संगीता। तो सबसे पहले आई वुड लाइक टू inform that students have not joined us. The reason may be the most of the students, they are from CIG course and they are already in touch with us as they are our own students from DCM College of Education, and only 3 to 4 students are the outsiders. So we got the list of the students in which the students from the various courses have enrolled themselves in our institution, and one is CIG, that is Certificate in Guidance, and there are students in Masters in Education. MA Education, we have more than 8 students. Then Postgraduate Diploma in Education Management and Arrangements. Then we are having students from Postgraduate Diploma in Educational Technology. Besides this, we are also having student list of the students, those who have re-registered themselves for the second year course. Now, MA Education is second year course, so those students who have passed their first year, now they have re-registered themselves for the second year course also. So, I guess the second year students are also there. In fact, main thing is that there will be term and examination in June or July of IGNOU, and that is meant only for the January session students, those who have enrolled themselves for 6 months course. So in this we are having only CIG course, that is 6-month course, and the students, they will be appearing in the examination. That is why they might not have been interested in the induction meeting, as we have already oriented them that how they have to fill their examination form, how they have to appear in the examination, and they are also in the process of attending their counseling sessions. In fact, the CIG counseling sessions are basically this time organized by the headquarters itself. They just collaborate all the students from the various regional centers, and on one platform they organize counseling sessions online. So we are left with the students of MA Education, postgraduate diplomas only, and second year students. So dear students, the most important thing is that as you are enrolled in January 2023 session, so it is very important that the assignment part is the most important aspect of IGNOU study. If you are enrolled yourself, it is mandatory to submit your assignments to the regional center or study center, and your study center is DCM College of Education 2260P. So as you have enrolled in January session, so in September you have to submit your assignments, or for 6-month course the students last date is 31st April. By 2 or 3 days the student of CIG, they have to submit their assignments by 30th of April. Or for the students who who are appearing in December examination 1 year course, they will be submitting their assignments on 30th September. Now how you have to select your assignments, that which assignments you have to attend, that is very important. So when you go to the IGNOU website, that is www.ignou.ac.in, that is the website, and there you go for the student corner, and there you find out the assignment section, and by clicking on the assignment section you see or July 2023. In fact, the assignments for January and July session are same. That is written on the assignments that you have to prepare these assignment questions for if you are enrolled in January 2023 session. Keep in mind this thing, dear students. Or one more thing, as we have made one WhatsApp group that is common for all the students right now. After induction meeting, what we will do, we will make your separate groups. Like CIG group will be a separate group, MA Education will be a different group, MA Second Year will be a different group, and PGDET will be a different group. And in every group, you will be just oriented about your courses itself, that what are the courses that you have to study, and all the information will be provided to you that is only and only related to your course. So this induction meeting is basically, the motive of this meeting is to tell you about the assignment portion. And one more thing is there, after submitting your assignments, we will also send you link. As we get link from the university itself, there will be examination link, and you have to fill your examination form to appear in your December examination, and that will be most probably in September only. So it is too late, no doubt. We will orient you time by time as we will get the information from the headquarters itself. So the mandatory portion is your assignments. So you can start your assignments, completing your assignment as soon as they are just uploaded on the website itself. So dear learners, once your WhatsApp group will be formed, Mr. Naveen, he will be handling all your assignments, all the queries related to assignments he will be solving. And after that, if regional center allow us to conduct your counseling sessions, we will definitely orient the counseling sessions, organize the counseling sessions for you. In the previous times, in July 22 students, we are organizing classes online, and we organize the classes on weekends, most probably on Saturdays and Sundays. So in the evening timings, the suitable timings, we just contact with you and we prepare the schedule according to your convenience itself. Second, the most important thing is that your study material. Dear learners, there are so many queries related to the study material. First thing is that you will get the study material only if you have filled in your admission form that you want to get the study material in a hard copy, and you have paid for it. Only then you will get that material. Otherwise, there is eGyanKosh, IGNOU eGyanKosh. You can upload all the study material from the IGNOU eGyanKosh, and you can prepare for your examination as well as for your assignment portion. Let me clear you one thing, we have no concern with the study material. You have so many queries with us that we have not get the material yet, So we have no concern with that, dear students. That you have to talk to your regional center itself, or you can inquire it from the Khanna center only. Third most important thing is that if there are counseling sessions, no doubt counseling sessions are not mandatory. Let me make you clear, this is distance university, this is open university. So counseling sessions are not mandatory for you to attend. But as Mr. Manoj is here with us, he has already completed his PGDSLM, and the persons who are correlated with us, who have attended the counseling session, we got a very good feedback from the students that they are benefited from these counseling sessions. So we also hope that if we organize these counseling sessions, you will definitely attend it. One more thing, as you will be appearing in December examination, so your counseling sessions will be in September itself, not right now. the counseling session we will not start right now. In August, September we will be starting your counseling sessions of your respective courses. So, few things regarding MA education, second year students, I can see the students of second year here. That is very important year for you. As second year, you have to submit one dissertation work, and it is a research work, and you are not familiar with it in your previous years, I guess. If you have not done it in your previous degrees, it is very important that you should know about how you have to conduct, how you have to prepare your synopsis, how you have to get your synopsis approved, and how you have to prepare your dissertation and then send, where to send and how to send it. It is very important. Dear learners, we will be providing you guide from 2260 itself, from our own center itself, and your guide should be the approved counselor of MA education. This is a mandatory condition. You cannot get any guide from your near colleges or any other. That guide should be an approved counselor of IGNOU University. So as we will proceed further with your WhatsApp groups, and we will just solve your queries. And if you have any query related to your course or anything, you can just ask questions.